Hi everyone, I'm Joe with LuckyVitamin, and I'm here today to talk to you about Soylent ready-to-drink meals. As the name suggests, these are ready-to-drink meals. They're formulated so that you can take them wherever you go and get the equivalent of a meal. They have 400 calories, they're not a diet plan, they are not a trend, they're just something that you can use when you don't have the luxury of eating a full meal. Now, they taste delicious, which may tempt you to drink them for every meal, but you should not drink them for every meal. Soylent expresses that while you can drink them for any meal, you shouldn't drink them for every meal. And I know they taste delicious because I drink them myself. Also, the hair salon in my neighborhood, the girls there have a fridge stocked with this stuff because they, like doing other jobs, cannot stop and just sit down and have like a nice sandwich because they got clients, they gotta stay on their feet, and that's where something like Soylent comes in because it's formulated to give you all of that while still being able to move through whatever it is that you're doing at the time. Now, my personal favorite flavor is the cacao because it sort of tastes like a creamy, rich chocolate milkshake without all of the added sugar, which is why you might feel tempted to drink a lot, but remember, do not drink these for every meal. And the other flavors they have here are equally as delicious. This one is the coffeeest, which you might also see listed as mocha. It's got all of the same vital nutrients that you need, but with the added benefit of a little bit of caffeine to put pep in your step. They also have cafe vanilla, which also has a little bit of caffeine, but it does not have the chocolate taste, it has a vanilla taste. The original flavor, which doesn't really have a specific taste, but I personally think it sort of tastes like oatmeal, which makes it a good like breakfast meal replacement if that's what you're looking for. And then we have the cafe chai, which again also has caffeine, but this one tastes like a spicy chai. So whatever your flavor preference might be, there's a meal replacement that's waiting for you. Now, of course, there are a couple things to be aware of. Each bottle's formulated to contain 400 calories, which might be off-putting to some people. But if you think about it this way, an average person eats about 2,000 calories in a given day, and these are less than a quarter of that. So if you're only drinking one a day, then it's really not that big of a deal. Also, these aren't empty calories. These are formulated to include a lot of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D, potassium, magnesium, zinc, copper, and a lot more. Now, you might be wondering how you can buy this. We sell individual bottles on our website. We also sell cases of 12, so you could stock up in advance. And don't forget, you can always use auto ship to get this sent to you regularly. So whenever you're running low on your meal replacements, you'll get another batch the next month. If you like this video, be sure to hit subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section below or call one of our wellness ambassadors. They're available 7 days a week and would be more than happy to help you along your journey toward wellness. And as always, spread the wellness.